All right, so in this lecture, we are going to begin to add some reflected light. So I'm imagining that in this scene, we have, it's going to be a green forest sort of background, and so a lot of the reflected light is going to probably be a warm greenish color that's bouncing up off the leaves and stuff and onto the bottom underside of this bird. So what we're going to do, we're going to color pick it, we're going to bring it towards a yellow-green, we're going to bring it a little brighter, a little more saturated, and we're going to come in here and paint some of that reflected light on the underside of this bird's chin. I mean, I keep saying he's a bird. I don't know what he is. He's probably not quite a bird, but something. And that's actually a little bit too bright, so let's undo that. We want this to be really subtle. About like that is better, I think. Oh, and you know what? Let's make sure we do this on a separate layer. I almost forgot, so I'm going to do all that. Make a new layer, we'll call it reflected light. Keeping that on normal. And we can go ahead and try that with round 2. All right, let's get in here. We're going to get some of the inside of this ear here. Excellent. Let's move over to the bird. We got the little bird claw thing here. All right, excellent. Looks good so far. Let's get a little bit on these fellas here. All right. Let's see, where else do we need it? Probably, I feel like down here we could go a little greener and a little brighter and hit that tail a little more. Same with the wood down here. Alright, we got these claws. Bring it a little darker there. All right. I think that looks pretty good. I'm just doing one last look over everything, see if there's anything that we might have missed. But I think it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna clean this up here a little bit. All right, cool. So, oh, one last thing as well. Let's clean up this a little bit too. Got a little sloppy down there. All right, there we go. So that is it for this lecture. I will see you guys in the next one.